Norman Manley International Airport is where we are today, and we're getting ready to travel to one of our sister islands in the Caribbean, the island of Bahamas. Up, up, and we are off. We are now looking at the coastline of Nassau, the capital city of Bahamas. Bahamas is a group of islands numbering over 700, located just north of Cuba. The Tainos and the Arawaks were the indigenous people here in Bahamas. But as you know, the African has passed through and has settled here in the Americas for thousands of years before. This is the Cable Beach. Soft white sand, turquoise waters. It's mostly shallow, ideal for swimmers and non-swimmers. We are near the airport, so ever so often we get these planes flying over. As with the Caribbean and most of the Americas, the war for land and resources between Spain and England is continuing in Bahamas until about 1717, when the English won outright. There's a number of ships in port. Last time I count, it was maybe about 6. And they have brought along thousands of passengers on the streets. We'll try our best to avoid them as we continue our journey here. We're on our way to see the Atlantis resort. I hear that it's a must-see when you're visiting here. We're heading now to our road march. It's called Jamaican, and it's a local carnival. This is the Queen Staircase. It's carved out of limestone, built by enslaved Africans, but it was still named after Queen Victoria. It's also known as 66 Steps. And on top, you'll find a fort called Fincastle. It's beautiful scenery all around. This is the Pirate of Nassau Museum, and as we check out this place, remember Christopher Columbus, the great pirate. He also passed this way in about the year 1494. And as our journey comes to an end, we take one more look on the coastline. It was nice being here. People are friendly. The place is beautiful. We love it. We hope to return soon. See you in the next one.